welcome back. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Wednesday. So I am actually super pumped about this video, you guys. This is a new video for me. This is not an unboxing, as you can see from the description. This is going to be me telling you about Luxury Divas, the LD Accessories Box, for those of you that are not familiar with it. And I'm going to tell you how you can win one. Win a month free. How awesome is that? So, for those of you that are not familiar, the LD Accessories Box by Luxury Divas is a monthly subscription, and it is $30 a month. You can buy a one-time box for $35. Now, I do have a link down that I can put down below, as well as a code that will save you $5, and you can use that for the one-time box or for your first month of a subscription. So you could get the one-time box for $30 or your first month of the subscription for $25, which is amazing. This box does include free shipping, but there's so much more to a Luxury Divas than I think people realize. First of all, it is a fairly new subscription, and it is actually, yay, in the running for one of the best boxes. So I'm super excited about that. I think that is fantastic. I definitely think they deserve it. And the owner and curator, her name is Deborah. She is absolutely amazing. She is so sweet, and you can tell that she truly cares about this subscription and her customers. And you fill out a profile when you sign up, and it asks you so many things. It asks you what color as far as jewelry you prefer, gold or silver, your shoe size, your favorite colors. Just all kinds of stuff. It does ask you your sizing because sometimes clothing is involved. And that's the thing, is it's the LD Accessories Box, but it's actually more than just accessories. You get such amazing items that are accessories, but you do also receive clothing. So I think it is fantastic. And I think the opportunity for one of you guys to try this box free for a month is amazing. Or if you already are subscribed, you'll get a free month of the subscription. So I think that is so fantastic. And when her and I were talking about this, and she gave me the okay to do this and said, yes, let's do this, do the video, let's do a giveaway, I was so honored. So thank you, Deborah, for allowing me to do this. And it'll be very easy. The giveaway is going to run for 2 weeks. So today is Wednesday, the 15th of May. So it will run until the 29th at midnight or 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And after that, I will use a random comment picker to pick a winner. And I will go over all the details on how to enter in a few minutes. But I just want to tell you some more about the subscription if, again, you are not familiar. So the items that you receive in this box, like I said, you do receive some clothing. They ask your shoe size and everything else. So you can imagine, yes, you do get shoes, you get clothes, you get belts, you get earrings, necklaces, bracelets. We have gotten umbrellas, sunglasses, scarves, wallets. It is just phenomenal to me, the variety that they have put into these boxes. I have never been disappointed in one of these boxes. They literally cover everything. This past month, I got a dress, I got flip-flops, I got a belt, I got gorgeous earrings. It is just crazy. Sometimes there's makeup. And like I said, it's just everything. And it's not just a subscription box. They have an online store. So, if you see something in an unboxing that you're interested in, you can log on to the website and you can purchase it. Or if you do get the subscription, by all means, take advantage, of the store and browse through all of the items they offer. But again, I just think the subscription is absolutely amazing. The fact that it is so personalized and so tailored to you. you know, is just something you don't see that much with subscription boxes. I mean, there may be some customization and things like that, but as far as a subscription box like this that is so customized, I think it is just amazing. You know, it may be a dress or a shirt or something, but they try, you know, that everyone may receive, but they try to go based off of your profile as far as color or, you know, things like that. So there may be similar items in boxes, but they still try to match it to your taste and, you know, color preferences and things like that, and your size, because obviously you don't want to receive something that's not going to fit. You don't want some shoes that you can't wear. You know, one month there was like a little cami, and a cardigan, gorgeous. You know, it's just amazing to me how awesome this box is. And I just want more people to know about it. And that's what her and I were talking about is, you know, I just don't think enough people know about this box to really and truly understand how amazing it is. So this is a way, if you are not familiar with Luxury Divas, that you can experience a box and not have to pay for it. No strings attached, completely free. 1 month completely free. And again, I am just so honored that she gave me the opportunity to do this giveaway. And so thank you, Deborah. Thank you, Luxury Divas. I do appreciate it. And I know that one of you will truly appreciate it. So let's get to how you enter. So it's pretty simple. I go with my standard YouTube rules. YouTube is in no way affiliated with this giveaway. But basically it is as simple as you need to be a subscriber. You need to like this video. You must be over the age of 18 with a US shipping address, and you will need to leave a comment down below telling me what you think a really cool accessory would be to receive in this box. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know some items you think would be fun to receive in a lifestyle accessory subscription box, because it's so much more than a lifestyle box. It really is. It really covers so many aspects, and I think that's fantastic. And again, one thing that I also really, really love about this subscription is every month you receive a handwritten note from the person that styled your box. They explain why they chose the items for you. And I think that that personal touch is so amazing. And it lets you know that Deborah and her employees, this company, they really do care about their customers, their subscribers, and they are doing the best to make you happy and give you a great experience. And that is exactly what you will have with the LD Accessories Box by Luxury Divas. I guarantee it. So again, this giveaway is going to run from May 15th, today, till May 29th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The day after, May 30th, I will use a random comment picker to pick a winner. I will verify that you are subscribed, that you did like the video, and you left a comment telling me, again, what type of accessory you would like to see in the LD Accessories Box. And after that, I will pass your information along to Deborah and LD Accessory Box. Also, I will send a link to you with that personalized profile where you can fill everything out and get everything set up, and you'll get your box. And from there, you can decide whether or not you want to go ahead and sign up, or if you want to go ahead and sign up now, just from what I'm telling you about this box. You know, you could go back and watch my videos of unboxing this. I have done it for 3 months. It's phenomenal. Like I said, you will love it. Go ahead and sign up, and then you could just get a month of your subscription for free. So completely up to you, but somebody is going to win a free box. So again, just make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and leave that comment down below. Again, I will announce the winner on May 30th, and that's pretty much it, guys. I can't say enough about this box. I really, really think it is an amazing subscription, and if you have not signed up yet, definitely do. You won't be disappointed. I promise. So, good luck to everyone, and I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.